Hi everybody, I am Randy from Randy's Electric. Today I'm here with Guy, one of my favorite electricians, and we're here to talk about outlets today. All sorts of different outlets. What kind of outlets are there?
There's many different kinds of outlets. There's standard outlets, there's USB outlets, there's GFI, there's arc fault, there's many different kinds.
So why would I want a USB outlet?
A USB outlet is meant for convenience. Say you want to plug in a phone or a device of something that needs charging. They're very convenient and they're nice to have in places that you would plug your stuff in.
Okay. One of the things I've noticed in houses is that the outlets are always behind the couch. Can we put in outlets in hallways and stuff where people could actually use them?
We can. We can put an outlet anywhere you would like it, for the most part. It's really inconvenient to have only a couple outlets in like an older home.
Yep.
So we can put them anywhere that you would like them.
What about a GFI outlet? What's the deal with those?
GFIs are, they're great. They work very well. They've been around for a long time. GFIs go into places of moisture.
Okay.
They protect the person against electrical shocks.
Okay. So what's the difference with an AFI?
An AFI or an arc fault breaker or device protects your house and the house wiring from issues or electrical fires.
So it protects from a fire. I think that's really important.
It does.
Okay, and so you could put an outlet in for a garage door opener? You could put an outlet in for crock pots?
We could.
Okay, but we need to do special protections nowadays.
That's correct. Anytime we put in a receptacle in a living space, we need to arc fault protect that receptacle or anything associated with it or connected to it. And those breakers tend to be a little expensive because of the whole project, but they are well worth the expense.
Great. Well, thanks for joining us today, everybody. This is Randy's Electric, randy'selectric.com, 763-560-5600.